You say never let me go.
Hello everyone. Today this video is not about motivation. This video is not about stories. This video is about one real skill that smart people use every day. That skill is called problem solving skill. If you learn this skill, you will not panic when a problem comes. You will not complain. You will think clearly and find solution. This skill works in study, job, business, life. So watch this video carefully till the end. Why most people fail to solve problems? Most people do not fail because the problem is big. They fail because their thinking is weak. Common mistake people make. They react emotionally. They rush to solution. They blame others. They say I can't do it. Smart people do something different. They slow down, they understand the problem, then they build a solution. Remember this line: a calm mind solves more problems than a smart brain. The golden rule of problem solving. Here is a very important rule. If you understand a problem clearly, half of the solution is already done. Never try to solve a problem you don't understand. Now, I will teach you a simple 5 steps that anyone can use.
Never let me go.
First step is clarity. Most people say, my life is bad, I am not successful, I am confused. These are not problems, these are emotions. A real problem is clear and specific. Wrong, I am lazy. Right, I waste 4 hours daily on my mobile phone. Wrong, I can't learn. Right, I don't practice regularly. Always write the problem in one clear sentence. If the problem is not clear, the solution will never be clear. Now, ask one powerful question. Why? Ask why again and again until you reach the real case. Example: problem. I can't focus on my studies. Why? Because I use my phone too much. Why do I use my phone too much? Because I feel bored. Why do I feel bored? Because I have no clear goal. Root case: no clear goal. The real problem is not the phone. The real problem is lack of direction. Always fix the root, not the surface. Never look for only one solution. That makes your brain lazy. Always create minimum 3 solutions. For example, use phone time limit, make a daily schedule, study in short focused sessions. More option is equal to better thinking. Even if one solution fails, you still have others. Choose the best solution. Now compare the solutions. Ask these questions. Is it simple? Is it realistic? Can I start today? The best solution is not perfect. The best solution is doable. Simple action is more powerful than perfect planning. Take action and review. Thinking alone changed nothing. Take action immediately. After 7 days review. Did it work? What can I improve? Problem solving is a process, not magic. Student problems. Problem: I failed exams. Root case: no daily study system. Solution: study 1 hour daily, revise weekly, practice questions. Money problem. Problem: I don't have money to learn. Root case: no income skill. Solution: learn free skills online. Practice: offer services. Problems change when thinking changes. Daily problem solving practice. If you want this skill permanently, do this. Simple daily exercise. Every day, write one solution. Apply the 5 steps. Write solution. Take small action. Do this for 30 days. After 30 days, you think clearly, you act smartly, you solve problems faster. Problems are not enemies. Problems are teachers. Every problem is asking one question: can you think better? Stop running from problems. Start breaking them into steps. If this video helped you, share it with someone who feels stuck in life. Thank you for watching.